Welcome to our beginner's guide to Bitcoin. In this video, we'll be exploring the basics of this digital currency and how it can potentially benefit you as an investor. But first, let's start with the basics. What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency, meaning it's not controlled by any government or financial institution. It's created and transferred electronically on a peer-to-peer network, similar to how files are shared on the internet. A transaction in Bitcoin is a transfer of value from one person to another. The transaction is recorded on a public ledger called the blockchain, which acts as a decentralized record of all Bitcoin transactions. This means that anyone can view and verify the transaction, making it a transparent and secure way to transfer money. Bitcoin is created through a process called mining. Miners use powerful computers to solve complex mathematical problems and are rewarded with a certain number of Bitcoins for their efforts. This process ensures that new Bitcoins are released at a steady rate and that the total supply will never exceed 21 million. So now that you know what Bitcoin is and how it's created, let's talk about how it can benefit you. One of the main advantages of Bitcoin is its ability to be used for online purchases. Many retailers and businesses now accept Bitcoin as a form of payment, making it a convenient and secure option for online shopping. Another potential benefit of Bitcoin is its potential for high returns as an investment. The value of Bitcoin has been known to fluctuate greatly, and some investors have seen significant returns by buying and holding the currency. However, it's important to remember that the value of Bitcoin can also drop just as quickly, so it's important to do your research and invest wisely. So there you have it, a beginner's guide to Bitcoin. Remember, this is not financial advice and for entertainment purpose only. Always do your own research. Thanks for watching, and if you liked this video, please give us a like. And remember to subscribe to see more videos like this.